This is a new mural. It has the West Philippine Sea. You are able to ride the ship now. Let's go. What are you on now? Oh, it's a tank. Is there a war? We don't know. We're just getting ready. All the tanks and the thingies and the thingies and the tanks here at the museum.